In this section, we're adding radical expressions, but the radical expressions require some simplifying. Let's read our helpful hint. You must simplify each radical first. Then you can only combine like terms for those terms where the expression inside the radical sign is exactly the same. Now, this process of simplifying the radicals at the beginning of the problem is very important. Let's see how it works. We know that the square root of 4a could be written in another form, the square root of 4 times the square root of a. That would give us 2 square roots of a. We know that the square root of 8a could be written in a different form, the square root of 4 times the square root of 2a. Notice that we are always in the first radical having underneath the radical sign a perfect square so that we can actually find the square root. The square root of 4 is 2, but this time inside the radical sign we have 2a. Now the square root of 36a could be written as the square root of 36 times the square root of a. That would give us 6 times the square root of a. And in our last problem, we can write the square root of 9 times the square root of 2a. That would give us 3 square roots of 2a. Now it's very important we only add like terms. If this expression says the square root of a and this expression says the square root of a, we may combine it. 6 square roots of a added to 2 square roots of a would give us 8 times the square root of a. The other two terms have a different quantity underneath the radical sign, the square root of 2a here and the square root of 2a here. 3 square roots of 2a added to 2 square roots of 2a would give us 5 square roots of 2a. That's our final answer. You might be tempted to try and add those together, but you can't. You can only add like terms, and that requires that you must have exactly the same expression under the radical sign. So that's our final answer. Nothing further can be done.